Life Buoy, a brand known for its hygiene products, has also introduced Life Buoy Shampoo, catering to various hair care needs. This shampoo is formulated to cleanse the scalp, remove dirt and excess oil, and provide nourishment for healthier hair. With its antibacterial properties, Life Buoy shampoo helps in keeping the scalp free from infections, making it an ideal choice for those who experience dandruff or scalp irritation. The brand offers different variants to suit various hair types, such as anti-dandruff, hair fall control, and deep nourishment shampoos. Enriched with essential vitamins and natural ingredients, it strengthens hair from the roots, preventing breakage and promoting overall hair health. Its mild yet effective formula ensures regular use without causing dryness, making it suitable for daily application. Life Buoy shampoo is also known for its refreshing fragrance, leaving hair feeling fresh and revitalized after every wash. Due to its affordability and effectiveness, it has become a popular choice among consumers who seek quality hair care on a budget. With Life Buoy's trusted name in hygiene and personal care, its shampoo line continues to provide reliable solutions for maintaining clean, healthy, and strong hair. Life Buoy, a well-known brand in personal hygiene, offers Life Buoy shampoo, designed to promote healthy hair and scalp. Known for its antibacterial properties, this shampoo helps remove dirt, oil, and germs, ensuring a deep cleanse with every wash. It is formulated with essential nutrients that strengthen hair from the roots, reducing hair fall and preventing dandruff. Life Buoy shampoo comes in different variants, catering to various hair concerns such as dryness, breakage, and scalp infections. Its mild yet effective formula makes it suitable for daily use, keeping hair fresh, strong, and nourished. With an affordable price and trusted quality, Life Buoy shampoo remains a